Hi, this is Mrs. Lawrence. It's so nice to see you. I cannot believe it's almost time to start a whole new school year. That is awesome. So I am an advisor at Michigan Great Lakes Virtual Academy, also called MGLVA, and I'm going to be someone walking alongside you, cheering you on throughout the school year. So I just want to let you know a few things coming up before school completely kicks off, just so you can start being integrated more and more into our school community. So we've got two We Connect Wednesdays coming up. Those are just a fun social time. They happen at 11:30 a.m. to noon on Wednesdays. So on August 4, Wednesday, August 4, we have a scavenger hunt relay race, which is pretty awesome. And then on the 11th, there's going to be a creation fun. So Legos, crafts, just creating and exploring. Um, then I will be out of the office, and in fact, our whole staff will be August 16 through 18 for a school staff development. So if you are trying to reach someone during that time, don't panic. We're all away learning and growing so we can be the best staff possible for your student. So we will get back to you as soon as we're back on the 19th. We do have a back to school picnic. You'll get more details as that gets closer on the 25th. And the first day of school, wow, is August 31 for the school year 21-22. So super, super exciting stuff. If you ever need to contact me, please do. Do not hesitate. I'm here to help you. I'm here to cheer you on. So the best way to reach me is by email. Email is something we use a ton here at MGLVA. You can reach me by email at RE Lawrence at mglva.org, or you can text me or call me at 616-389-0893. So if you're trying to reach me because you're having a technology problem, so this beginning of the school year, that's a lot of the reasons why people are contacting. I don't have my computer, I don't know when my shipment's coming, I don't know how to log in, things like that. I would love to hear from you. You're welcome to contact me. But the best person for you to reach is our tech support team. We have a 24-hour a day, 7-day a week tech support team that would love to support you with questions like that. So to reach them, you're going to call them by phone at 866-512-2273. And the staff member from the tech support team would love to help you with any questions regarding printers, computers, shipments, logins, or the parent portal. So make sure you're contacting them if you have questions with that. I do want to show you one more thing. Every new family at MGLVA needs to attend an orientation at some point during the start of the school year season. So we have a ton coming up. So I hope you can find one of these to be able to attend with us. So we will have one coming up on a Monday at 6 p.m. That's going to be on Monday, August 30. But the majority will be on Tuesdays at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m., Wednesdays at 6 p.m., and Thursdays at 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. So you just need to go to one. That'll count for multiple students, but please go. We'd love to see you there. It's such an important thing to attend. So I'm excited for a brand new school year with you. I'm excited to get to know you and that you're taking this step to further your students' education. Can't wait to partner with you on this journey you're on. Thanks so much. Goodbye.